Hello everyone. In this video we're going to fix Roblox problem. If your Roblox is not working, then watch this video till the end. And I hope after watching this video, you'll be able to fix your Roblox problem. First of all, you gotta open your mobile settings. Then scroll down and find out Apps option. After that, click on the search bar and search Roblox. Then tap on it. From here you have to select storage. First tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data. Tap on OK. And we are done. Problem has been fixed. So, I'm gonna open my Roblox app. Now, log in your Roblox account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment.